My people, who tell you say you no go fit make Nigeria puff puff using baking powder? Today I share with you how to get this done. To begin, you are going to be needing all-purpose flour. The same time we make use of 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Don't forget to filter your flour before you can proceed. Next we are going to be needing is baking powder, guys. Baking powder, you need just 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Next we are going to be adding is 1 teaspoon of salt. The same time adding half cup of sugar. Then stir everything together. Take note, guys, we are making Nigeria puff puff. We did not add yeast, okay? And we are going to still get our Nigeria puff puff done and delicious. Next we are going to be needing is cup of milk. I make use of 3 cups of milk. First I'm going to be adding 2, and first of all stir that together. If you haven't shared this video, this is the right time to share this video, and it's going to be the best way to get your puff puff done. Not everyone like eating yeast. If you are one of them, this is just the best way to enjoy your puff puff without thinking twice. Now you are going to be adding the last cup of milk and keep on stirring. At this point, I'm done mixing the batter, so all I do now is to bring out my spatula, then cover this for just 20 minutes. So don't be waiting for this to double its size. It's not going to double its size. This is just going to enable that to look more fluffy like this. So this is 20 minutes later. It looks so nice. So you are going to beat it a little bit. Then after beating that, so if you are finding it hard to cut puff puff inside oil, this is just how you get it done. Just put it in your pan and the same time turn your hand and then add that inside oil like this. It's just so simple. Now we have already hot oil in the heat. I'm going to be cutting the batter inside the hot oil like this. So guys, if you are seeing this, it's just at this point it's going to be rising on top of the oil. This is just so simple. Like, this is just best way to make puff puff. It's sweet and come out amazing. It don't even stress you, and you are going to get Nigeria puff puff now. This is me cutting that inside oil. Just look at that. Everything is just resting on top of the oil. Just normal Nigeria puff puff. This is just so massive. You have to share this video and get this done for your family. They are going to appreciate you. While frying this, all you have to do is to use your be rolling everything like this. So this is going to enable your puff puff to fry and come out amazing. So everything is going to come out the same color. Just stay close by mixing that almost every seconds like this. So this is just how I'm going to fry that. Oh my goodness, I'm just in love with this puff puff. This is my first time trying this recipe, and it was everything you need in puff puff. It's sweet, so amazing. So now I'm going to bring that out from the oil. Look at that. It fry so nice. See how gorgeous that look. Just use your spoon to scoop everything out, then transfer that back inside this plate like this. Oh my goodness, my kids eat this puff puff as if they haven't eaten for 2 days. They love it, and it was so delicious. So we really enjoy eating this puff puff. This is the first batch. It fries so nice, and I just love the color. Next is for me to fry the second batch like this. So after frying that, look at that. Everything fries so nice, and it was just so mouth watering. So now you are going to add that back the same way. Oh my goodness, have you shared this video? If you are one of them that don't like eating puff puff because it's made with yeast, so guys, just go and try this by using this your baking powder to mix your batter. It's going to come out the same way as Nigeria puff puff. It was everything delicious. It sweet so nice. It was so soft. Look at that. The softness is everything. All you need to do is to share this video and try this for your family. Everyone around you is going to appreciate you for this recipe. In my next one, bye.